welcome to another video. So today I will show you how to save HD for Twitter, for YouTube and any social media, basically how to save high quality pictures. So first off, you have this banner right here. First off, you'll go to File, New, and make your width 3000 and height 1000 and resolution 300. That way you will create a better document for saving to the web. So this is what I did here, and right now what you want to do is click up here and hold shift and group all this. But before you group all this, as you can see, here is an icon of lock, so you need to click left click to unlock that and click on this layer, last layer, hold shift and click up on this layer and control G to group this thing up. So now we have a group, as you can see. Now what you want to do is go here and make this 99% opacity, and now go to the group, click Ctrl J to group it and click Ctrl E, and now you have actually a group. And now click on this here I, and now you have this group here. Now what you want to do is go File, Export, and you will export Save for Web Legacy. And now as you can see, we're saving for the web, and this is the crisp quality. This is the best quality you can get. Go to preset PNG 24, click all this if you haven't, and go and here 100% bilinear, click this, click done and save. And this is basically when you save it. I'm not going to save just because I already have saved it. When you do this, this will actually create a bigger quality for your documents, for your Instagram, for your Twitter, and with lower megabytes. So this keep that in mind. This is really cool tactics that I'm using. A lot of graphic designers use this, so just keep that in mind. And yeah guys, that has been it. Thank you guys for watching.